Number 4, find n so that the following numbers sentence is true. 3 to the 4th times 9 to the 4th equals 3 to the 4th times 3 to the n equals 3 to the 12th. Let's look at 2 ways we could find n. One way we could find n would be to look at just the first half of this number sentence. So I've got 3 to the 4th times 9 to the 4th equals 3 to the 4th times 3 to the n. And I want to know what n is. Well, let's break things down once again into prime factors. So if I break things down into prime factors, 3 to the 4th, hey, that is already a prime base, right? 9 to the 4th, well, instead of 9, which is composite, let's think of 3 squared to the 4th power. All right, so 3 squared to the 4th power, if I apply my rules of taking an exponent raised to a power or a power raised to a power, however you want to describe that, my 3 to the 4th wouldn't change, but instead of 3 squared to the 4th power, I would write 3 to the 8th power. And that gives me 3 to the 12th power if I continue to simplify. So by using the rules of power to a power, we can confirm that n equals 8. Another way to figure it out would be to just look at the second half here, which we've kind of pulled the second half into play, right? So if we just look at the second half of this equation, or the second 2/3, we can see that 3 to the 4th times 3 to the 8th is 3 to the 12th. And then I can essentially just solve the equation 4 plus n equals 8 for n, 4 plus n equals 12, because I'm looking at my rules of exponents, which say that if I have the same base and I'm multiplying, I add the powers. So if I just look at the powers, I can set up this equation, and when I solve that for n, I get n equals 8.